In this video we are going to assemble a 3x3 Rubik's Cube together, so stay with me until the end of the video. And be sure to pay attention to the points that I say between the video. Let's go to training. To start, we need to unscrew one of the Rubik's centers. Using a tool, you only open the screw a few turns. Here we have to place the edges that are the same color. For example, put the green and white edge in place, like this. Let's go to the next edge, which is orange and white. After fixing the edge in place, we go to the next edge, the blue and white edge. And we go to the last edge, which is red and white. And as you can see, a white plus is formed. In the next step, we need to place the corners. We go to the first corner, which is the blue, white and red corner. And we put it in place, like this. Well, let's go to the next corner, which is the white, green and red corner. And then we place the next corners in the same way. And as you can see, we complete the first layer together. In order to go to the second layer, we must be careful that the edges we choose do not have yellow color. So we choose edges that are not yellow, for example green and orange edge. And then we put it in place. We place the rest of the edges in the same way. The second layer was also completed. At this point, we have to fully open the yellow center screw. And then we start putting the third layer, the yellow color, in its place, like this. At this stage, we put the yellow center in its place and close its screw. and it's over. Your Rubik's is solved. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until the next video, goodbye.